Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to reverse the speed of some of our clips. Let's zoom in to clip 4 rather, and we'll just play that back. Okay, so currently the camera is moving from right to left. I prefer the movement in my shots overall to go from left to right. I prefer this because when you read, your eye reads from left to right, and it's more visually appealing to view something going left to right in most cases. Not in all cases, but we're telling a story. The story is moving forward. It feels good to have clips move from left to right. So to do that, let's right-click on clip 4, go into speed, duration, and we will click on reverse speed, push OK. Let's highlight the program panel, click on the tilde key on our keyboard, and hit the spacebar to play. Great. Hit the spacebar to pause, hit the tilde key, and you can see here in the clip it's reversed because it says minus 100%. Okay, clip 5 as well, as you can see, is going right to left, so I'm going to reverse that clip as well. Let's just go back to clip 4 and play from there. It will feel better when you watch both of these clips moving in the same direction. So we'll right-click on 5, click on speed duration again, click on reverse speed, push OK. Let's play that back. Great. I'm okay with clip 6 going from right to left because this shot's revealing the mountain tip here through the trees, so it feels a little different. So we'll keep that the way it is. Clip 23, we are going to reverse the speed of as well. So we'll right click, go into speed duration, reverse speed, push OK. Also, clip 10 here is currently set to a speed of 180. It looks a little too fast, slightly choppy, so I'm going to right click in on clip 10, go to speed duration, and we'll change the speed to 160. Push OK. Let's play that back. Okay, that's better. Okay, so that is how you reverse the speed and direction of clips.